Hey, this is Brandy Jeanette. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. As you can see, I am peeling old dead skin off of my feet from the help of Baby Foot. I purchased this at Ulta. It costs about $25. Baby Foot is a really deep exfoliating skin peel for your feet. It's one size fit all inside the box. When you get it, there's 2 plastic booties in there. I think it goes up to size 12, which is great if you're a tall girl like me. I got really big feet. Anyways, you put the plastic booties on and you secure the plastic booties around your feet with the tape that comes inside the box. Then you leave it on for an hour. Then once your hour is over, you want to rinse and wash your feet to make sure all the product is to make sure all the product is off. That is so nasty. Anyways, the first time that I took the product off and I washed my feet, I was like, oh great, I wasted $25. I could have bought some food or something with this. But then as the days went on, I felt my feet feeling drier, they felt tighter. And then when I went and took a shower, I saw, these little lifts in my feet, kind of the same way it was on my knees. And I'm like, okay, it's time to peel. And then I grabbed my camera and I was like, oh my gosh, this is nasty. Just the amount of skin that came off my feet and in between my toes and all over was absolutely disgusting and fascinating at the same time. Because your foot is completely surrounded in the plastic booty wrap. Yeah, so it's completely surrounded in the plastic booty. Every nook and cranny on your feet is going to get saturated with that product. And the end result is all of this crap coming off your feet in about 7 days. For me, it was just about 3. And my feet feel baby soft. There's still some peeling that needs to happen on the top of my foot. But right now, everything else feels so, that's so nasty. Ugh. Everything else feels silky smooth. I want to do this again to get like all the parts that didn't quite get as deep of a peel, but you have to wait 2 weeks in between each session. And from what I read on the box, everything is all natural ingredients. You've got oranges, grapefruit, sage, apple, lemon, etc., etc. So I'll leave a link in the description box below. And I got this at Ulta, $25. Get nasty. I don't think any pumice stone that I've ever bought can get that much dead skin off. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that share button and put this straight on your Facebook wall and gross out all of your friends.